I-ANC ithi ayivumelani nesinqumo senhlangano edlelana nayo i-SACP sokuba ingenele ukhetho lohulumeni basekhaya ngokuzimela ngonyaka ozayo.
Recognize the SACP's right as an independent organization to chart its own electoral path. However, as a movement that has shared trenches with the SACP in the struggle for freedom, we have communicated our profound disagreement with this decision. It is our considered view that this move carries far-reaching implications.
Down with corruption, down.
uKhongolose uthi kungenzeka ukuthi usufike kwangqingetshe emzamweni yawo yokuvimba i-SACP ukuba ingenele ukhetho lohulumeni basekhaya.
We might have reached a stage where we are unable to persuade the South African Communist Party from its decision of not contesting the elections. And we believe as the ANC that will weaken the National Democratic Revolution.
Umbalula uthi ANC isazoqhubeka nokubambisana ne-DA nakuba kube khona la bengavumelani nayo khona, kanti bazimisele ukwemukela amanye amaqembu kuhulumeni wobambiswano ukuze lelizwe lizothuthuka.
The DA wanted a marriage between us and them. We said no, bring everybody. Even now, we are ready to bring more into this government. Those who want to leave can leave.
Leli qembu lizoba nomhlangano wokuzinuka amakhwapha mhla ziyisishiyagalombili kuya mhla ziyishumi nambili kuZibandlela.